Alright, after you get your puzzle cube completely assembled, we need to put together what's called the assembly drawing. So I'm going to go here in Inventor. I'm going to go back to Home, and I'm going to go to New this time. And this is going to open up this dialog box here. And there's a lot of stuff in here. At school, I know right now you're going to be in the templates folder. You're going to have to click on English, and I believe there's English EN at school that you have to go to find this file right here. It's called PLTW-IDW. So you might need to search around a little bit. It's in templates English-EN at school. Mine is a little different here at home on my laptop computer. So I have this file. I can double click on it, or I can click on it one time and hit create. Doesn't matter how I do it. And this is going to load the drawing types file. Now I'm going to put in my name, and this is all in caps. And then I'm also going to enter the scale, and the scale generally is going to be, for everything we do, is going to be 1:1. We might have to change that at a later point in time. And we're just going to say OK, and we're going to say OK again. Now, I need to put the bubble cube assembly drawing into this piece of paper. And how I do that is I'm going to select the word base. And it comes in with this nice view. This is just a straight on front view. You can see that from our view cube, but I want to make this look like the home view. Okay, and the scale down here, I want that to be set to 1:1, and I'm going to say OK. Now once I have this done, I now need to do some more stuff here, and I'm going to click on Annotate, and I'm going to go to the parts list. Select View is the default button pressed, so that's the button that's depressed already. I'm going to come out, and I'm just going to click one time in the box where this is cube is, and you see it puts the name of the drawing in there. I'm going to say OK, and now I've got a parts list box attached to this. And you'll notice the bottom of this parts list box goes against the top of the dialog box for the title block, and then this upper right hand corner goes right up against the boundary box on the title block. Now double click where it says description. Click 2 times on the left mouse button. You're going to come up to this bottom button, right here, and I'm going to click and see where it says description. I'm just going to say remove, OK, and OK. Okay, so the corner of this box is touching the bottom of this cube, and I don't want that. So I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to put it right on the red outline, and I'm going to click and hold, and that moves it. You can see the move symbol there at the end of my cursor. Kind of looks like a cross with arrows on all 4 corners. So next thing, I'm going to add balloons, and this has to go with a very it's a very you have to do it in this order. I'm just going to click on one of the parts one time with my left mouse button. I'm going to pull it out, away. Notice I didn't go across, I just went out and away. And I'm going to left click one time, and then I'm going to right click and say continue, and the balloon is going to be attached to the end of this thing. I'm going to do this for all 5 parts. See, this is part number 5 right here. That's the one that's called Puzzle Cube part number 5. Number 2 here, that's the one that's called Puzzle Cube number 2. And no, it doesn't matter what order I do these in, just so long as I get them done. So I have to label all of them. And let's see, I think this is the last one. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. That's perfect. So I'm going to hit save on this. I'm going to locate where I want to make sure this is going to be, and that should be good. And I'm going to hit save, and then I'll say yes to all of these, and OK again. It's just doing saves to the individual parts. So there we go. That is how I make the assembly drawing.